He's finally giving away fidget spinners. I'm so surprised of him. It's happening, guys. It's happening. Fidget spinner giveaway. He's finally giving away fidget spinners. I'm so surprised of him. What's up, guys? Fernando Vlogs here, and right now he's doing it. The fidget spinner giveaway is finally here. It's happening. It just got real. What?
First I'm gonna pull my intro.
I don't know.
My camera.
Right, okay, I'm gonna. What's up, guys? Fernando Vlogs here, and right now he's doing it. The fidget spinner giveaway is finally here. It's happening. It just got real. What?
First I'm gonna pull my intro.
I don't know.
My camera.
Right, okay, I'm gonna. So yeah, sorry if you hear your music in the background. That's Jefferson intro, but
I'm doing it in my camera.
it always takes you so long to do your intro.
Dad.
But anyways, guys, this is happening. Jefferson fidget spinner giveaway by Monday. I'm not gonna tell who I'm gonna call out. Just go to his video. He's gonna make that video tomorrow to tell you guys. Okay, guys? No, not tomorrow. Thursday. He's gonna tell you guys. There's only four winners. Yes. So yeah.
Intro.
And also.
And now to get my camera.
Okay, go get your camera. Okay. So this is happening, guys. I mean, it's happening today. He's finally giving away fidget spinners.
What?
He's ready. Right, Jefferson?
Who's ready?
You are ready to give a fidget spinner to all the people who subscribe to you. We picked four people only. 4 people. It's happening. So yeah. Give you all the letter C, B, J, M. If you figure out all of those are all the names that start with C. The other ones start with a J. The others start with a B. The other ones start with M. 4 people. So better guess those names. If you don't, well, he only picked 4 people. And yeah. Right, Jefferson? So, that's all for now. All for now. So let me tell you, in the ref fidget spinner, got this for $8. Got this one for $7.50. No, I got this one for $80.50 too.
I'm playing Roblox now.
So yeah, that's all for now, guys. It's happening.
I'm playing Roblox in my computer.
Come on, let's play Roblox. But that's all for now, guys. I will see you all in the next day. So that's all for now. Peace out, home dog. And also, guys, I'm going to show you all a bit of a clip of my movie. Okay. I don't want to show you guys, but I'm going to show a clip of my movie. Like a short clip. Because I don't want to spoil you guys for you. Come on June 30th. And yeah, it's gonna take a long time. So yeah. guys. On camera, it looks so weird. Oh my god, whatever. I'm so slow. But, yeah. Yeah, so let me show you a bit of a clip on my movie. Okay, just show you the clip. And also, I'm going to show you guys a really cool thing in slow motion. I gotta put the light up, okay? Because this is my light. It shines so... If I put it like this, it'll shine too bright. So if I put it like this, that'll be fine. Okay, let me show you in slow motion. I did not know what I was doing. And for a reason, people, everything I'm sitting down, no. Look what I have to do. And invisible sitting, because you know why? Because it's so hard. When I stand up regularly, nobody can see me, so I gotta scrounge like I'm sitting. I love my fidget, so it's happening, guys. Get ready, and if you don't get picked, don't get mad, okay? Because when we tell you, don't get mad. If you do, well, we'll be giving another ones. Me saying a lot of fidget spinners. Oh, that was really scary. Shoot. Well, whatever. Okay. It's good.